Hello everybody, it's Steve Katsikaris, Norland, Coboconk, Watchdog, now in Minden, Ontario. The date today is July 16th, 2020, and the reason why I'm here in Minden today is give support to the elderly man that was murdered by the Ontario Provincial Police yesterday on July 15th, 2020 for simple vandalism. And we can see the O.P.P station here in Minden. Bunch of Nazis involved in criminal conspiracy in our community, and now killing an elderly man thinking they're doing their damn job. So hopefully we'll get some justice, and these little shitheads inside this police station are all going to go to jail for killing a 73-year-old elderly man. And there was no excuse to shoot the guy, plain and simple. All he did was a misdemeanor, and you went to his house without paperwork. There's no way in hell you would have got a warrant that fast. On private property, you need to have a warrant if you're going to make an arrest, or you needed to bring a promise to appear. So that's why I'm here to support the family today and help them with the legal lawsuit against the Ontario Provincial Police.
48701.01 of the Criminal Code. And this is what they should have used for the guy to arrest him up in Minden. It's called information for general warrant. So that would have been vandalism. Okay, general warrant. A provincial court judge, a judge of a superior court of a criminal jurisdiction, or a judge as defined in section 552 may issue a warrant in writing authorizing a peace officer to, subject to this section, use any device or investigative technique or procedure or do anything described in the warrant that would, if not authorized, constitute an unreasonable search or seizure in respect of a person or a person's property. Okay, this is 495 of the Criminal Code. This is when the shithead cops can arrest someone without a warrant. Arrest without warrant by peace officer. A peace officer may arrest without a warrant, which is here, these are the criteria. A person who has committed an indictable offense, that means a serious crime, not vandalism, or who, on reasonable grounds, he believes has committed or is about to commit an indictable offense, not a misdemeanor. So there you go. A person who he finds committing a criminal offense, well, the guy was already long gone, so that doesn't apply. And he went back to his house. And C, a person in respect of whom he has reasonable grounds to believe that a warrant of arrest or committal in any form set out in paragraphs. So there must be an outstanding warrant for someone. So he thinks there's an arrest for you, an arrest warrant for you. So that's the only time the cops can arrest you without a fucking warrant. Yeah, 495 of the Criminal Code, A, B, and C. And there was no warrant for this guy's arrest.
And enforcing rules that are not lawful. And that's what caused this 73-year-old man's death. So I know the facts, I know the law. The cops are not above the law. That's why I'm filming this today, to get people in Minden, Ontario to support me in my quest to put these bastards in jail, the O.P.P. And these guys right here murdered my 3 fucking pets, Otis, Lulu, and Bobby. That's right, in a conspiracy plot, because I found out about illegal sewage systems in Norland, Ontario, just down the road here on Highway 35. So you can see why I got a personal interest, because these cops here have been trying to murder me for the last number of years, and they trying to incite violence. That's why they've been doing what they've been doing, by visiting me, grabbing my pets, killing them, emailing me, telling me that the pets are dead. They ended up in a dumpster in Lindsay. Can't get the police reports on this now. And now we got an SIU investigation going on here, and I sent the Attorney General of Ontario an email today to start to hand over who was the trigger man that pulled the trigger on this elderly guy. So I just want to say to the O.P.P, you're not above the law. No peace, no justice, no peace. That's the big phrase there, eh? No justice, no peace. And hopefully the people in the community here in Minden are going to say no to this and put an end to police tyranny here in Minden, Ontario, and down in Norland, Ontario, which is just down the road there. You can see the videos that I posted on the internet too, my other website there, or my other YouTube channel. It's been temporarily frozen right now because the police don't agree on what I say. Yes. Yes, and then when a cop gets shot, they lower their flags half-mast. Yeah. When they kill us, it's like a big party going on there. So that's why I'm filming these guys right now. And there's going to be a federal application against the officer that pulled the trigger on the 73-year-old man. And Doug Ford, you're going to jail for criminal conspiracy and Norland, and also criminal negligence causing death because you didn't have the authorization without the law to pass these measures enforcing stores.
So here is the criminal charges that'll be laid against the store owner, the employee that got into the altercation through inciting violence. It's called criminal negligence, and it's 219 of the criminal code. Criminal negligence. Everyone, not one, but everyone involved is criminally negligent who, A, in doing anything or in omitting to doing anything that is the duty to do, shows wanton or reckless disregard for the lives or safety of other persons. Absolutely. And 2, duty. For the purposes of this section, duty means a duty imposed by law. Human Rights Code of Ontario. You can see here it's 1990. That's when this became law. See, and that's why I'm going over this now with you to show that this man that was shot in Minden the other night there was violated of his Human Rights Code. Where? Okay, let's go to the next slide here. And this is it here, and I will blow it up. And this is where Premier Ford is in a lot of hot water right now for violations of the Human Rights Act since he's initiating all this. Okay, and guess what? The douchebag, fat bastard there, Mr. Premier Fat Fuck Ford, it's part 1 of the Human Rights Code. It's page 1. This guy's breaking the law right there, right here. Services. 1. Every person has a right to equal treatment with respect to services, goods, and facilities without discrimination because of race, ancestry, place of origin, color, ethnic origin, in this case citizenship for this man under protected person. He doesn't have to wear a mask, so there you got him right there. That's the key word, citizenship. Creed, sex, sexual orientation, gender, identity, gender expression, age, 73-year-old, and marital status and family status or disability. So there's the CTV guy just here at